Real quick, what do you trade on?
I trade on TradingView for my charts, and then Weeble for is what I trade on for my executions and where I place my trades, etc.
You should really move on to Thinkorswim. It's just like so much,
Yeah, I tried Thinkorswim,
like
man. I just
all the information.
Yeah, I feel that. Dude, I started out with Weeble, and I just, for some reason, I always liked it. I don't know why. It always treated me well, nothing wrong. Always got my withdrawals correctly. Nothing ever went bad. So I might switch over in the future though. Never know.
Weeble's so simple when you start off too.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Keeps a lot of less stress off your shoulders when you're in a trade.
Exactly. All right,
Some
boys.
other apps you get confused with trying to close a position.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. It's very simple for beginners, and then once you're an intermediate trader and you're pretty good at what you do, it just gets so easy, and you just know everything on what you do. I feel like Thinkorswim is very hard to learn at first, dude. I look at it and I'm like, the fuck? That's what I look at. But all right, boys, I'm gonna show you what I did today. So obviously, if you go like right here, this was last weekend's or yesterday's price action. We broke these highs and we closed bullish. What does that mean? What did we create? Let's get out of replay mode. Just wanted to show you guys that. Bang. We created this huge fair value gap. And what this fair value gap is, it's a price range where orders were not exact. What was it? How do you explain it, Vic? It's where they weren't exactly fully filled because of the full push up. So orders still want to be filled to go in the opposite direction, correct?
Yeah, like fair value gaps is just three consecutive candles that are being pushed a certain way, and most of the time, price will do that to later come back into that and refill.
Yeah, refill most of them orders
Refill
that weren't filled in the last
exactly.
push up. So
Yep.
yeah, I said it
e-
right. I was just making
Exactly.
sure. So what a fair value gap is right here, I'm going to just show you guys because this is a part of my strategy. It is a 3 candle formation. I'm going to delete this right here. You see this huge candle up. It creates a huge imbalance right here, a huge area where you see no wicks, no other candles, no nothing. What a fair value gap is, for the people that don't know, it is the top of this wick right here. You place your fair value gap box, you drag it up, bang, to the bottom of this wick. You drag it over, bang. You see how this is just in the middle of this gap right here? That's why they call it a fair
Yep.
value gap. This huge move up could not fill all the orders that were up here, all these stops, everything. So there's still a bunch of resting orders lying right here to go in that direction
Yep.
to the upside. It can get disrespected, but most of the time, if it's a higher time frame and we're in the same bias, we're in an uptrend, it will respect it most of the time. So that is why I took my trade. I took it off of this fair value gap right here, and that is on the 4 hour. Bang. We'll go to the 1 hour. Also, market open was about right, like around right here today. So this morning we came into this fair value gap. Bang. This is around the 50% mark as well. So that's a higher time. That's a higher confluence that we're gonna want to push price up farther, because in discount is where big banks, big institutions, hedge funds want to push price up. That is what drives price, and that is what makes these candles do what they do. If you think that us retail traders trading with $500 make these big candles go up, you're wrong. What makes these big candles go up are big banks loading millions of dollars into trades, institutions, hedge funds. They load money down here to push price up. And why they load it down here is because this is in a discount. They want to get in at the lowest price possible to push price to the highest price to keep that difference. That's why they make so much money. So, look, I entered in this fair value gap. I'm not gonna make it too confusing. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. We came into this, bang, huge candle up. But if you look on the 15-minute, what was it? I have a lot of drawings on here, but just try to catch on. We made we made a low, swept that, we made another low, low, low. We cannot go lower. This is obviously a sign that price is building up liquidity, building up buyers, bang, to push price higher. So what happened? Look at this candle right here. We wick down, sweeping these lows right here. That means there's a bunch of liquidity lying at these lows. A bunch of money
Yep.
willing to be taken out to push price higher. Remember, the banks are sitting down here wanting to push price higher. This is a fake out, stopping all the people out. like a stop loss. You guys know what a stop loss is. It stops all the people out down here. Bang, pushes price up. So what I was looking at is here. I'm going to just show you. I'll move this line. Bang. We swept this low. You can obviously see this wick right here. We swept this low and a bang, big impulse move up. And why I was looking at that big impulse move up was because we broke market structure shift, or we made a market structure shift, I'm sorry. And what a market structure shift or a break of structure, they're the same thing. Look at this. We are trending down, trending down, trending down. Bang. Do we reject off of this again to go lower? No. We break structure to the upside. That means we're going down in structure, or we're going down, trending down, bang. Now we broke that downtrend. Now we're going in an uptrend. That's like a simplified way I want everyone to be able to understand. That's how I don't like saying all the fancy words. I want people.
I just brain fucked everybody. Like when I was,
It's okay, bro. It's our first
yeah,
one, bro. We want everyone to learn.
yeah.
We're gonna get better.
Wait, I'm sorry. This is after hours, right?
No, this is market open.
No, that's market open. Yeah.
Market open.
All
This
right.
is 9:45 a.m. So 15 minutes after market open. So you can obviously see, bang. As soon as market opens, we sweep that, a huge move up. Look at this. You see we're in a downtrend. Bang, reject, bang, reject, bang, reject, bang. Boom. That's a big impulse move up. We broke that structure. And what did I talk about fair value gaps? Look, with that big impulse move up from them banks and hedge funds, bang, they made that move. Look what we made right here. I'm just going to do it out. Bang. To this low wick right here. Remember, low to the high of this wick. Remember, it's a 3-candle formation. 1 candle to the huge candle to the third candle. This bottom wick to this top wick. So this is a fair value gap where price is going to want to retrace to push back into the direction so banks and hedge funds and other traders like us can get in at a discounted point. Bang. We come into this. Okay. We disrespect it. Look, as you can see. Can you guys see this black candle closed below the box? You see that, right? So that means that this fair value gap, look, you look at it like this. At least this is what I do. See ya. Simple as that. That got disrespected. What do we have down here? Look at this. Another fair value gap. We have a candle, a doji candle. Bottom of this wick to the middle, which is the gap. And then the top of this wick to the bottom of this wick. Another fair value gap. Look what happens, guys. We wick into it. Shoot up. Wick into it. Shoot up. Wick into it. Shoot up. Look at this. This is just giving me more and more confirmation that it wants to go higher. It's taking all these orders out down here. It's filling a ton of orders to push price up. So this is the 15-minute. Bang. We go into the 5-minute. This is where I usually like to take my trades, or on the 1-minute. So look, see, we kind of consolidated. We came into it, consolidated. Look at all these wicks up, bro. Tell me that's not bullish confirmation. We want to go higher. So bang. One last time, we come down. We take out these lows and make, did we take out the lows? We might.
No, those were relative equal lows.
So these are relative equal lows. Bang. We make 2 lows and we shoot up. Okay. That's a good sign. We shot up. I'm still in drawdown. I did take my trade. We're still in drawdown. I took my trade about right here. This is why I took the trade, so I don't go too far. Okay. So look, right here, we have a low. Right here, we swept liquidity. We swept this low right here. We made a push up. I entered. We made a high like right here. Made a high, made a low, and then I thought we broke structure, but I really should have looked at the 5-minute. I don't know why it keeps going all the way over here. I really should have looked at the 5-minute for a break of structure. Remember, boys, what we said at break of structure. Look at this. Downtrend, 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 downtrend. Remember, there's these 2 highs right here. That's where you want to put it. We didn't break structure. I entered all the way over here. That was my mistake. The trade still did go into my favor, but look, we were in a lot of drawdown. We could have entered up here, and we shouldn't have waited that whole entire time for the move. So look, what I should have done instead of entering over here, I should have waited for a break of structure. I'm sorry, this blue shit is in my way. I'm going to move this for you guys literally real quick. So look, we should have waited for, okay, we have a low right here. We sweep this, make a big impulse move up. Bang, we break structure with this candle. Why? Because we have a recent higher, low. So we needed to break this high right here. Boom, this candle right here, we broke it. Obviously, you can see the trend line. Remember, we're trending down, impulse sweep, Impulse move up. We broke structure. No downtrend anymore. Now we're looking at going to the upside. Where's our liquidity? Where do we want to take out? This high, this high, this high, this high. Fill in this and this. That is what wants to get taken out now. Boom. We make that impulse move up. Go down to the 1 minute. Look, what did we make? Look, guys, it's simple. It literally trading is 20% strategy. The strategy's easy. It's your discipline and your emotions that come into play. There's this little dick fucking candle right here. I don't know if you can see it. Bang. Look, remember, whole gap, down to here, bang. This candle, the top of this candle. What do? We come into the fair value gap. Remember, this is an area where money is in a discount and wants to get filled. Bang. We come into that, and look what happens. I moved my my position, but look, it was about like, I don't know, somewhere, dude, it doesn't really matter that much. Somewhere right here. Bang, we come into the fair value gap. Right here. Boom. Minky. We're whipping a Ferrari now. We're pulling up with two baddies. Like, you know what I mean? Look at that. It's a great trade. I did make a mistake, though. I did enter a little earlier. Bang.
Yeah.
I'm learning from it. We are all learning from that right now. What did we learn from my trade? We learned that
John.
we need to be more patient. Simple.
Yep.
John, explain on confirmation when they get in a trade off a fair value gap with the candle closer above.
Oh, yeah. So, boys, also, every single fair value gap does not get respected. Just because you see a fair value gap doesn't mean you buy, full port that bit. Like, don't get into a trade because you see one
that's
fair
a
value
huge
gap.
thing.
So, look,
Yep.
me personally, so like I said, I trade different than Victor. That's why we both have different opinions. Everyone trades different. If we're all making money, nobody can hate on each other. You know what I mean?
Yep.
We all trade
Yep.
different. We all make money together. Shit.
Yep.
That means
Remember, I even took a long before you, and I banked, and then it dropped, and then you took a long after me, and you banked again. See, so it's all about
shit,
different.
if
Yeah.
we all making money, shit, we got a bunch of ways of income. More ways of
Yep.
income than none are better. That means we're educated on everything instead of just one thing. Slower fills on Robinhood. Yeah, that is facts. Robinhood is ass. But
Yo, hold on. Can you just zoom out real quick?
Yeah, for sure. I'm on the 1
And
minute.
then
Would you
move
like
to
me to
the
go to a
right?
higher time frame?
No, that one's fine, but can you move to the right? You see that big drop?
Yes. I exited
That was
right
because,
before that, brother.
yeah, I played those puts right there.
Yeah.
Well, I was in the call, and then some news came out, actually. The earthquake in Puerto Rico. That's why I took that fucking hit.
Oh, shit. I didn't even know that.
Yeah. That's what I love about Thinkorswim. I got the news, like, right next to me, so
Really?
I know exactly what to do.
I have news on Forex Factory, but maybe that's more consistent on TD Ameritrade. That's fire.
Wait, does market even move because of
Yeah, I was about to
news
say,
like
I
that?
don't know.
I don't think it moves because
Neither
of
do I.
that.
I
I don't think it does, but
I don't know.
but um,
That's sick that you caught
I
them
mean,
puts, though, dude. That's a good
but
ass
bro,
play.
if you caught that shit, good fucking shit. I mean, fucking yeah.
Exactly. But look, before we get into talking about some other stuff, I want to tell you guys this, just so you don't take a fair value gap and be like, "What the fuck? Johnny told me fair value gaps make you rich." No, bro. Make sure
Yeah.
you take the right fair value gaps for one. And listen, you're going to fail the first 20 to 100 times you take a trade. I'm not saying everyone, but before you get profitable. You're going to take hundreds of trades before you start to get profitable, and they're going to be losers. You know what I mean? You have to be willing to take losing trades and willing to risk money to be good at trading. This is not a no risk platform. I'm sure when you first got into trading, you should know that you are risking shit. A lot of emotions, a lot of mental, a lot of money. This comes with a lot of risk. But boys, what are we doing this for? No risk, no story. No risk, no Rari. Simple as that. But look, boys, we were in the downtrend. We break structure to the upside. What did we create? The fair value gap. And why are we going to enter this fair value gap and not like this fair value gap? We're entering this fair value gap because we got confirmation to go to the upside. Why did we? Can anyone answer that? Like, just think. I'll give you 3 seconds. Why did we have confirmation? Because we made an impulse move and broke structure. We're not in a downtrend anymore, boys. Remember, this candle right here Yes, sir, Alex. We broke structure to the upside. You know what I mean? So why would we want to go lower? Shit. Market does what it wants, you know what I mean? Sometimes we could go lower and you lose, but you learn from it.
Yeah,
But most
but
of
you
the
learn
time,
exactly.
if you get good at your strategy and you see this shit in and out, bro, it is going to work if you play it out right. Simple as that.
Yep.
So,
Yes.
that is why we took this fair value gap and not like this one. You know what I mean? We saw, okay, look, we're trending down. Bang. We took out all those short orders because people are placing puts right here. If you're an options trader or shorts, if you're Forex, they're placing shorts or puts right here and putting their stop loss right above it. So what happens when we break structure? We take out all those short orders, bring it down, people go long, and that's what pushes price up even more to take out all this resting liquidity right here and up here. And all of our take profits hit. If you want to see, I don't know if you guys can see the Discord. Let's go to the success chat. Hopefully you boys can see this, and I'm not doing this for no reason. Bang. I don't know if this was late at night, but I don't know if he was in the call. This dude's winning. He took the trade. I took the trade. I banked 13%. $900. You know what I mean? We're all winning in here. No, this does not cost money. No, we're not like rich ass dudes with Lamborghinis. No, we're not none of that, dude. We are here to learn together. I am not perfect. I lose tons of trades. We are here to learn together, to network, to make friends that are traders, to do all that, bro. You know what I mean? Like, bro, we're here to do good, bro. We're here, like, bro.
Yo,
I'm
can
just
you
gonna
explain how you
yeah.
set up your take profits?
My take profits, yes, sir. Of course I can, bro.
Yeah, and John, also talk about that wick into the fair value gap
Got you.
when you entered your trade.
Forgot about that.
That wick and then a sweep with the candle close above.
Got you. Give me 1 second, Pluto. Hold on. I was going to say that and I totally forgot. Thank you for your time, fellas. I'm not an IC tree trader, but still learned.
Yes,
goal,
sir,
boy.
bro.
That is my goal. I appreciate you,
Yes,
boys.
sir.
All right, boys, but listen. I'll give me 5 more seconds. We broke structure. Remember, I said that 30 times. We broke structure. Are we in a downtrend still? Can someone ask that? Can someone answer real quick?
No.
No,
There you go.
no, we're not.
We're not in a downtrend no more. We break structure. We come into this fair value gap. No, me personally, I am not taking calls or taking longs right away. Because what happens if it just wicks it and then dumps down to the fucking ground? And you're going to get swept. What do? I wait for this wick to come down. Bang, up candle, and then up candle. You could have even entered right here. I'm not saying...
Yeah, for second confirmation,
Yeah,
yep.
for a second confirmation, but usually I'll enter off of like this green candle right here. So bang, up candle. If I see another up candle and a closure up candle, I'm entering long. If I see us come down, disrespect it, no, why would you go long? You know what I mean? If it's consolidating. Wait for another good confirmation that we're going to go higher. And then bang. What did he ask me? He asked me, where am I going to where am I going to put my take profits at? Let's show you guys. I usually just do it on the 5 minute and the 1 minute. So look, we took the trade about like right here. So we'll just say right here. Bang. Personally, if I'm looking at it right here, first take profit, if we entered like right here, would be either like at highs. You always want to put, all right, I'm just going to clear this off, boys, just because it literally looks like fucking Dora Explorer drawings on that shit. You probably can't see. But just remember, we entered right around here. This was our entry. This is where we were at break even. Right there. Once we broke structure, where we want to target? Price always wants to target liquidity. What is liquidity? We were just talking about it. Liquidity is at highs and lows. What is right at liquidity and right under it? Then big banks. How do you think the big moves happen? How do you think this big move happened? How do you think this big move happened? Because liquidity and big money movers, big money buyers and sellers, are sitting at these lows and the highs. So bang, big money sitting right here, right here, right here. Where would I put my take profits if we entered right here? Maybe at this high. Second one, right here. Bang, right here. This is just looking at it right now. Remember, we're going to go to the 1 minute. Right here at the bottom or the top of this fair value gap, you see there's a bearish fair value gap right there. And then last one, bang, right here. Because look, what happens? We hit our take profit and we dump. What if you didn't take your take profits right here and then you got smacked out? What if you were taking a piss real quick, you come back and you see this? You know what I mean? You're going to have to, like, you're beat. You know what I
Yep.
mean? So
You have to put your stop at break even as well.
Exactly.
After you hit a take profit, you put your stop at break even. So
Exactly.
it's no more risk.
So,
Yep.
like I'm saying, is remember, boys, you have to have a plan when you are trading. You need to have a plan. Say you like if you get stopped out, don't even think twice. Don't let it hit your stop loss and be like, oh, it's gonna go back up. No, bro. You know what I mean? Fucking bro, it's not gonna go back up. It could
Yeah,
possibly, but say if
it
you
could.
win, say if you make money doing that, are you gonna feel good? That trade
No.
was just doing whatever and ended up going in your way. You know what I mean? You'll feel good when you really put all your confluences together. Damn, I sound like an idiot. Line it up and bang, and they hit, and then you feel good, bro. You did that all by yourself. You're like, yes, I've been studying. Dude, I did that all by myself. That is why you want to just stick to your stop loss. Trust me, in the long run, boys, stick to your stop loss. Do not overtrade. Don't over risk money. Remember, if you are getting into a trading, you're nervous, like, I can't lose this money. Like, I got to buy my ex-girlfriend flowers on Valentine's Day because I'm a simp. Like, bro, you cannot waste money that you're scared to lose. Like, you can't put money in a trade and be like, bro, I can't lose this. You need to be able to trade with a certain amount that you're comfortable with losing. So if you are scared to lose $50 and that's going to hurt you, you should not be trading yet. If you are putting $100 into a trade and you're like, holy shit, it's my life savings, why are you risking that as a beginner trader? You should not be doing that. Put in a certain amount of money that you are comfortable with losing. If you're okay with getting a $20 bill and ripping it, put that shit into a trade and see how your confluences run out. What I'm trying to say is, bro, basically, don't use all your money trading when you're first starting. You'll lose a lot, bro. But listen,
You'll know if you're using too much money entering a trade. You'll feel that. You'll feel the emotions
all your
inside.
emotions are
If
coming
you
up and
enter
you're scared about the money, that means that
before
That
you even
heart,
entered it,
that heart start pumping.
because if you enter a trade with $20, I promise you guys are going to really be feeling anything. You're going to be staying in the trade for longer, rather than if you enter with 100, you're going to see that green. You're going to be feeling the shakes.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? You're going to be taking profits too early. You're going to be stopping yourself out too early. Just start up slow and scale up as your body gets used to it and your emotions get used to it over time.
Yes, sir.
So look,
Treat it like a business.
Exactly. Treat this like a job, bro. Remember, boys, jobs are not bad. Careers are, my friend. Jobs and having something to do every day where you can make money is not bad. Having a fucking career that you have to go to every single day, you have to fucking clock in. Yo, can I use the bathroom? You get yelled at for going on your phone. You have to listen to someone tell you what to do every single second. That is not how we want to live, boys, and that is why we are in this call and studying. We want to live a financial freedom life, bro. A freedom of financial, bro. Or I'm saying it wrong, whatever. You know what I mean? Like, we want to live
Financial freedom.
financial freedom, bro. Yeah, whatever I said. But listen, bro. Took the entry right here. We broke structure. Remember, what did we take this in the first place? Because we swept all these lows down here. We swept the lows, broke structure. Now we're in an uptrend. We retraced into a fair value gap. Remember, you don't get in right away. You wait until it grows a little bit. You wait until like your shit gets like you ever be in bed with a like wait until it gets up a little bit. Once it gets up, then you go long. Where do I put my take profits? At highs. Look, highs right here. First take profit hits. Look at this high. Hits it, comes down. We would have taken our take profit. This high, take profit.
John, where's your stop loss at?
Bang.
Where's your stop loss
My
at?
stop loss was at. I already took my position off. I showed them, but give me a second. Going to 5 minutes. Sorry, boys. So I entered around right here. My stop loss was at the bottom of this fair value gap. My stop loss was a little long. Like I said, we consolidated. I entered a little late or early. I entered early. And my stop loss and my risk to reward wasn't the best. So, what did I tell you guys in the beginning of this? This wasn't the perfect trade, bro. This wasn't, that's why I'm telling you guys this. This wasn't the best trade. It never hit my stop loss. It went in my direction. My bias was right, but my entry was wrong. What am I doing right now? I'm learning from it, and you guys are as well. So, boys, that is why I got into my trade. That is why I put my take profits where I did. That's what a fair value gap is. That is what liquidity is. That's what a break of structure is. I hope that you guys learned a tiny bit from that. And if you didn't, bro, there's nothing wrong with that, especially if you're new. If you didn't learn more than a couple things, there's nothing wrong with that. We're doing this every day, bro. So what you need to do after this If you didn't learn a single thing from today, which you should have, I'm sure everyone has. But if you didn't learn that much, or if you still feel confused, there's nothing wrong with that. If you still feel confused, get your ass off of here. Don't go hit a jerk. Don't go text your girlfriend.
Yeah.
Open your computer and search up whatever you are struggling with. Do some research. Get better at what you're struggling with. Find a solution to your problems, boys. Simple as
Get them in the boot camp.
We could
TJR boot camp.
yeah.
even do back testing on FX replay for like 1 or 2 trades to get them even warmed up
Mm-hmm.
to see what we're even talking about. I want to actually answer somebody's question in here. They were saying wait, are you finished? I don't want to cut you off actually.
No, I'm finished. Let me answer this dude's question.
All
What
right.
do you think about price delivery after 1 p.m.? Looks like a decent setup. Hell yeah, bro. That for me at least, I don't know about him, but for options trading, bro,
You can.
I like to take trades around the 2 p.m. to the 4 p.m. 3 to 4 p.m. is power hour. That's where a lot of volume is pushed into the market, and that's where big moves happen. So if you see a setup around p.m. session, I wouldn't trade between 11:45 and 1 p.m. Personally, that is my.
Yep.
That's me.
That's lunch hour.
Yeah,
You do
exactly.
not want to
That's
trade
lunch
at
hour.
that time, bro.
And you know why they say that's lunch hour, boys? Because what did I tell you? Who pushes the market? Banks, hedge funds, and institutions. What the hell do you think they're doing at 12? They're eating thousands of dollars worth of dinner. They're eating steaks for dinner.
Yes. Yes, it did. Right. Boom. So where's the draw for the next day? Higher. Did that body close above the wick? Yes, it did. So where's the next draw? Higher. Did it touch? Yes. Did it close above though? No, it did not. So where's the draw for the next day? It's gonna be lower. Did we close below? Yes. Where's the draw gonna be? Lower. And there's your failure. So out of all these days, you win once, twice, 3, 4. You have four wins in a row. You win. Yo, that was tough. Of course, bro. You guys have any questions? I'll always help you guys out, no matter what. Like we're gonna get this shit popping, bro. It's trading is not hard. It's not supposed to be hard. It's always sweep of liquidity. It's always it's so much more. Yo, we'll get it really into depth, and yeah, bro. I can't wait to share with you guys all the information we got. It's gonna be a crazy ass Discord. It's not gonna be like this one, bro. Let's get this shit, boys. It was a good little lesson right there.
Bro, me and Plutus, man. He's forex options. We teach both niches, man. So, like, you know what I mean. You guys are gonna learn a ton of stuff in here, man. I'm very excited to start teaching everybody, and just bro, I want to create fucking demons in here, baby.
Yes, sir, bro. That's what we're here to do, man.
Traders, that is our goal. We're not like other people where we just want to sell you something. We want to take your money. We don't actually care about you, bro. We are doing this completely for free, and we just
free, bro.
That is why I do trading. You always have to have a why in why you do something, man. And my why with trading is, bro, I just want to, dude, I love teaching people. I love having the feeling of being able to do what I want and when I want. Bro, the Lamborghinis, the chains, the watches, that shit comes later on, dude.
That's just a cherry on top, bro.
Bro. You get to travel the world, guys, without having to go to a job, without having to clock in every single damn day. Do you really want to live your life? Like, I'm not trying to get motivational, but, like, do you want to live your life and just have to touch a button, clock in, listen to another man tell you what to do all goddamn day, clock out, maybe go hang with your girlfriend, go eat food, go to sleep, and fucking repeat. And then what do you do on the weekends? You have 2 days to relax. What do? You drink, you party, and then you repeat. So, one, you're just gonna mess up your mental health, man, in the long run. And you're just, bro, you're messing your health up, dude. Just drinking and going to the same job, bro. You're gonna be unhappy for the rest of your life, man. That is why we are all in this trade. We're all here to learn together, boys. We all want that financial freedom at the end of the day. The feeling to retire at fucking 21, 25, 30. The feeling to retire your parents, bro. The feeling of just, bro, being that person and living that life that you've always wanted to fucking live. Like, bro, take this shit serious, guys. Like, this shit is more than just trading, bro. If you want to be profitable, stop going against your plan, bro. Be serious with trading. And I'm talking
Stick to that fucking bias, bro. Really, stick to that shit, bro. Like, stick to that shit, man.
Do what you tell yourself you're gonna do. Don't just say something like, especially on the New Year's. New Year's just happened. I'm sure you guys were in your bed fucking just like, I'm gonna go to the gym this year. Like
What time you guys gonna be live?
tomorrow, in between maybe 9 to 9:30. Obviously, it's gonna be before 9:30, but like it depends on when I'm done my morning routine, what I'm doing. But yo, everyone, go follow the Boca Instagram and follow me on Plutus's Instagram, boys. I am going live tomorrow and on every single weekday. Every weekday for daily bias and just pre-market analysis on Instagram Live. I'm going to be showing you what I'm taking, what I'm looking at, not what I'm taking, what I'm looking at, the pairs that I'm going to be trading for the day, and bro, just every single day, just Instagram Live, just free education. Bro.
Yeah, analysis, everything, mentality, execution, everything, and we're gonna show clear transparency, bro. Like that's the thing. We show the reality of fucking trading. We don't just show those fake fucking gurus that posting a fucking 20K days. Like it's, bro, like that's not the reality of trading. You're not making 20K every single day. Okay, there's gonna be days you're gonna lose, but with risk management and discipline, we keep those losses small. Right? That's all it is. And here, I'm gonna tag actually my Instagram for you guys to go see as well.
For sure.
I'll be posting as well. You guys, I will be posting with what's it called? Johnny. We're gonna be posting trade recaps. We're gonna be posting charting sessions, everything. We're gonna be doing fire ass videos and everything. It's gonna be.
Yo, John, can you hit on revenge trading real quick, just in case? I feel like that was one of my
That's a
biggest
good one. Go
problems when I
ahead.
first
Yo,
started.
one last thing that one last thing before we dip off. I got some work to do, some filming, and just got to get to bed. We got to be up and early tomorrow. So one last thing, boys. It's literally, I'm gonna show you. It's literally just so you think I'm not lying. Look at this on my whiteboard. I don't know if you can see. It says no revenge trading. Wait for A+ setups. So listen, boys. What revenge trading means is don't get into a trade, and when you lose, I'm sure you guys get mad, right? You guys get mad and get upset that you lost money. It happens, bro. You're going to lose money. What revenge trading is, and I'm sure a lot of you guys do know, is when you lose a trade, you hop right back into another one because you want that dopamine of getting that money back. You're fiending for that money. You're a fiend. Like Travis Scott said, you are a fiend for that money, bro.
Feed.
Yeah. Stop fiending. You know what I mean? You will make the money back with time and with consistency of your strategy. When you're losing a trade, get the fuck off the market and go do something else. Go study, talk to girls, something else with your life. Don't lose more money. If you rush a trade and you try to bro, you're going to lose more money. Don't do that, man.
Yeah, I promise from this experience in the past, dog. It's so much more worth it to walk away from the charts that day instead of trying to feel better about yourself in that one day. I'm telling you, it will pay off the next day when you enter the market.
Yeah, that's so true, bro. Like to add on to that, bro. Like I've blown so many fundeds because of and you get in that cycle. It's hard. I gotta say this. Like literally, it comes from the heart, bro. It's so fucking hard to just walk away. It is hard. I'm not gonna lie because we've all been there. If you guys have all traded, even on a fucking paper trade, it's hard to walk away. Imagine when you're doing it with a real funded and everything. Oh my god, you get into this hypnosis, almost like you can't leave because you don't want to leave with a loss. But I promise you, oh my god, I wish somebody would have fucking told me this earlier. I promise you, when you walk away, you build this level of tolerance where you're okay with losing. And then once you learn how to lose, oh my god.
Over.
Oh my god. You're bearish, you're playing puts. You get stopped out, you flip your buys, you take the long boner candle, Lamborghini, baby. like, you know what I'm saying? Fucking like Johnny was saying, bro. Fucking boner candle, yeah, whipping. you know, I'm telling you, bro.
And boys, yo, if you guys ever having trouble with any of that shit, like having a long day after losing trade, bro, feel free to text me here and ask for some advice, or if you're having a sad day, bro. I was there last year. I was in the darkest spot of my life because I had all this hard-earned money from detailing. It's like hard-earned money, and I just threw it all into the market, lost it all gambling, basically, bro. I was in the darkest spot of my life. Johnny will tell you, shit happens, bro. I called him crying multiple times. Had videos in my camera roll of me crying after a trade. Just if you need someone to talk, bro. It feels so much better once you talk to somebody.
Exactly.
We're always in here for
the emotions in you, bro. Brings out the best in you, man. This shit, bro, will make you cry harder than your bitch breaking up with you, man. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. Humor while learning. Thank you, bro. Someone gets what I'm feeling, bro. Thank you.
Let's go.
At least someone bro, boys, I'm not gonna talk to you and educate you like fair value gap, suck my dick. You know what I mean? Like, bro, I'm gonna be myself. If you don't like it, if I'm like being funny.